How much money do you make owning a Smoothie King is the number one question I get every day in my DMs when I'm at my stores or wherever I'm at. Y'all are nosy, bro. Like just all in your boy pockets. It's cool though. I got you. It's like some type of secret cheat code or something. I don't know what it is. But all seriousness though, let me tell you, it's not about the logo on the door. It's about how you move. You can buy the same franchise as me, same smoothies, same machines, everything, and still make less or more depending on what you are doing right or wrong. Think of it like 2K. You can pick LeBron on your squad, but if you are trash with the controller, you are still going to lose every time. The franchise is LeBron. You still got to hoop. Here's where the bag is really won, or you're going to take a major L in the franchise game. Food costs. If you are sloppy with inventory, you're basically throwing your profit in the trash every day. Think about it like this. Every time you toss a banana or you letting some strawberries go bad, it's the same as taking a $5 bill out of your wallet, crumbling it up, and throwing it in the trash. Now imagine doing that 10 times a day. That's $50. Now do that every day for a month. That's $1,500 gone. That's not spoiled fruit. That's your car note. That's rent. That's somebody's vacation wasted because you're not paying attention to food costs. So when you hear food costs, just know that that's your money. Don't even get me started on labor. That will make or break your store. Think of it like this. Let's say you got 4 people clocked in, but you really only need 2. That's like ordering a Lyft XL when you're riding solo. You're paying double for no reason. Now imagine each of those extra shifts being 50 that you did not need to spend. Do that for 5 days a week. That's 250 gone. Keep up with that for a month. That's $1,000. That's not extra help. That's you paying somebody's rent. Now on to managers. You hire one, cool. But now you're splitting profits. You don't hire one, that's cool too. But guess who's the manager now? Upselling and great customer service, that is the cheat code. Selling one smoothie doesn't make you rich. But if your team knows how to upsell drinks, add extra things to it, that's when you really start to make the money. That's how you get rich. Like low key, if you don't know what you're doing, owning a franchise is like dating. It can look really sweet on IG, but behind the scenes, if you don't put in the effort, it can get toxic real quick. But here's why it's worth every single penny. When you run it right, a franchise can take you from paycheck to financial freedom. I'm talking about the freedom to where you can wake up and do whatever you want to do. If you want to come in, you can come in. If you don't want to come in, you don't got to come in. I mean, the type of freedom where you can stay in Europe on vacation the whole summer. I mean, the kind of money where you can drive whatever you want to, eat whatever you want to, and you can date whoever you want to. You can really do it. One like store, man, you are like good for real. You're doing better than everyone around you. 2 stores, that's when you on a whole different lifestyle, like you are on a different tax bracket. 3, 4, and 5, man, you are feeding generations, like for real. That's when you are living like a rapper or an athlete. I ain't lying. Then you got some owners on the other hand that can't even get past store 1, and that's because they don't know what they're doing. They're not invested in their store. They put in all this money, but then when you get to the finish line, you don't invest in it the right way. I don't get it. So next time somebody asks you how much does a franchise owner make, it's actually a really simple answer. As much as you put into it. I know I didn't give you the exact dollar amount, but you can kind of get a good idea because I run my stores actually really good. Stick around for the next drop because man, I'm about to really drop some gems on y'all. I'm gonna give you the exact daily moves that separates the broke owners from the bosses. Y'all don't want to miss this one. Leave something in the comments for your boy. Y'all be so dry in my comments. Let me know what y'all want to hear about. Let me know what topics you want.